Alright guys, this is going to be a remake of the Emerson Designer ceiling fan in my aunt's sunroom. Nothing has changed about this fan, I just figured, you know what, do a annual remake of this fan. There's the Emerson tag right there. And this one has a 188 spinner motor, not a stack motor, just in case you didn't know. But it performs very well, especially for a spinner motor. Here's the switches. There's a regular 3-speed for the fan, on and off for the light. It's the light. Yeah, it's pretty bright. Let's go ahead and start this one off on low first. So here's low. Okay, that's low speed. Now I'll put it to medium. And I'll go ahead and start this one off, or put this one to high. Okay, here we go. Yeah, the light rattles a little bit. Glow rattles, but it's okay. But yeah, it's really powerful. Turn the light on again. Okay. And off. Oops. Okay. So that is the Emerson Designer ceiling fan in my aunt's porch. Thank you for watching.